And then we go straight over there.
We get into fluid side.
How far from the line out? Oh, 230 metres. That's not much of that. It's not 400 metres.
You're about 40 seconds. You got about 40 seconds here to the line.
Just hold it in. Hold it in.
I don't mind being 10 seconds late.
Yeah, you can't be early. But you want to start as far over there as you can. Okay, there's 3.5. If you want to do anything, I will. I'll coach you on the side. Okay, just one side. 3 minutes to 10. 250 metres.
Come on, Richard.
Morning, guys.
What was that? Hey, I got extra.
3 minutes.
Thank you.
Okay, 2 minutes 50.
Sam, just look, do you want me to drive over and go right or go around the long way? Go on left. Long way.
Keep Josh, you need to be over there as far as possible to start. Otherwise, we just wait to get over there.
There's wind coming down over there as well.
That's 2.5. You're holding 260 metres at the moment.
Good pressure down. Slow down. Keep going. Go left, keep going left, keep going left. Make as much left as possible. Make sure I'm
2 minutes. You're still holding 260 metres.
I'm not. I'm looking forward.
Don't worry, you are. 257. You lost a little bit this time. Okay, 1 minute 40.
What do you think? Turn?
I think we can turn at like 50 seconds.
Well, we can say 40 seconds.
Well,
40 seconds, 40 seconds.
okay.
Turn at 35.
I mean, we slow ourselves down a little bit.
No problem.
Okay. But we do want to be as far over there just to get over into that tide as much as possible and not to
I'm happy here because we felt that way in time.
Okay, 1 minute 25.
Right.
I'll do the engine off as well. I'll do the engine off.
Don't go any more left where you are now.
That's 115.
Less than 10. That's 263 metres. You literally hold it.
Go around
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Go do the short way now. When we go that way, yeah.
Okay, what's your heads? Right. Okay, 55 seconds. Let's all think about it.
I'll give us a bit of an up just to get us going.
Okay, 45 seconds.
You're saying, yeah.
I think you can say it, to be honest.
Ready? Yeah, go for it. Let's go for it. Racing.
Okay, 40 seconds.
Ready? Yeah, let's go for it.
Reverse speed, Josh. Reverse speed.
Yeah, you're on. You're on.
Drop down. Drop down this side. Down this side. 20 seconds, okay, we're late, so
It's fine, I'd rather be late.
we need to get over there, Josh.
I can't do anything at the minute.
We need to be going that way. We need
Right,
to be
everyone
going
ready
that
to
way.
talk?
We need to be going that way.
Ready to talk? Yeah.
100%.
2, 1.
We need to go that way.
Yeah, we're tacking. Tacking over. Everyone wait over. Yeah, keep over. Well done, guys. I kick her off, please. It's off. It's off. Come down a little more. Yeah. Speed here. Go with the knees on the main.
Sorry?
Stuff on the knees. Just so really free.
What's that?
Fair off anymore, yeah. Fair off more.
Couple speed comes over there. You can see the tide change from the other boy. Armchairs coming on starboard.
No, we're just doing both.
Maybe on starboard side, so you can get.
He's attacking now, so we go against that. You can go behind us if you like, Claire.
Missed the one to me. Missed the one this morning.
Yeah, I think. Come on, winding up. Get a bit more apparent. Bounce it down, just see.
It's very slow, but
Not much wind, is it?
I can get the rest of it. Spin sides as well.
Daydream's moving.
Yeah. Big boat.
We didn't notice the engine.
I didn't hear it. Did anyone else hear anything? No. I didn't hear it.
It's all the diesel fuel, man. Yeah, it's all the fuel.
Just jet fuel. Try a bit more sheet.
Some breeze there now.
We have one person to try and sit on the bow, but lie down.
Windy side, you keep low.
Just watch if the hatch is open.
Yeah, the hatch is open again.
Start. Just start it.
It's like, again. Why is all Jim?
Yeah, crack the pull a little bit.
Jim's fucking terrible.
Huh?
That's the main.
Do you want more
Yeah, just a little bit more.
from the jib?
That's because our jib holds that cut. What is the cut like in that here? Maybe flat, alright? I think there's a bit more pressure. Go back on
More apparent wind there, I can feel it. Since we've been at the side.
flatten us out quite a bit.
The in holders up, they're not in. They're not holders.
Try and climb a little bit just so the road seems to be pointed. No, good.
It's a massive change in heading there.
Yeah, I know, but look at the other boats just playing with it.
Yeah.
Gotta try it. It's trying the Arcturus is powering through it.
Yeah, she's showing through.
Yeah. Higher than us.
I think she builds a bit more apparent.
Still back still on that?
It's the solid yellow one. There.
The jib looks a bit better now.
There's a square block. There's this.
Oh, the big Eazi.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, you got the green and the yellow and black.
Okay,
And there's the next
okay,
one to
sweet.
the right. There's the yacht, the two yachts behind us to the right. The other thing, Josh, is Obviously, we'll go right the way across the channel here to get the best benefits of tide, but we do need to consider getting back across as well to Dingle.
Yeah.
There's not too much mileage on.
I mean, at the minute, on your phone, what's our heading compared to Dingle? How far off are we? Because we haven't actually made that much progress past Buffington.
We're starting to move now.
Yeah, exactly. That's yeah.
We have to pick up speed.
Yeah, boat speed's building. We are building.
That sail's a little bit better. That's got to be on apparent with the tide.
Yeah.
Dingle.
Dingle, yeah.
We're doing alright here.
We're not actually that far off yet.
Dingle's pretty good, yeah.
We're actually in deeper water than they are.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're right in the middle of the channel, most tide.
Got a bit better boat speed now, isn't it?
Okay, we're 30 degrees off Dingle.
That's fine, that's not actually that bad.
Our heading, yep.
Dingle is
Solid yellow.
Solid yellow in our 10 o'clock, just ahead of their bow. Just ahead of our tugs.
Dingle's about 7 minutes away from us.
Okay, yeah.
Sure.
So getting to G3 is going to be quite a hard